Welcome back, you guys. This is part 2 of a 5-part series where I'm doing quick plant profiles. Like and comment if you have anything else to add. Let's get to it. Alright, and now to showcase my asparagus plant. The scientific name for asparagus is Asparagus officinalis. Some health benefits include that it's high in vitamins A and C, it's rich in folate, it supports your digestive health, it contains anti-inflammatory properties, and it aids in weight management. Asparagus is considered a perennial, and an interesting fact about it is that asparagus plants can produce like asparagus spears for 15 to 20 years. Just wanted to take time to say thank you to all my subscribers and to everyone tuning in. Feel free to leave a comment if you want to just say hey, or if you have anything else you want to add to the discussion. If you guys want me to look at any other aspects of these plant profiles, please let me know in the comments as well. Stay safe and stay awesome, you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you.